Today we are going to look at this iPhone XR I purchased from BackMarket. Was I scammed? Is BackMarket legit? If you are unfamiliar with BackMarket, it's an online marketplace where you can purchase refurbished electronic devices, such as smartphones, computers, iPads, and many other electronic devices. I will put a link to the website in the video's description. All purchases on BackMarket are backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you are unhappy with a BackMarket purchase for any reason, you can return it within 30 days, no question asked. Also, items purchased from BackMarket come with a 1-year warranty. When you purchase an item from BackMarket, you have an option to select an item in fair, good, or excellent condition. Based on the information listed on BackMarket's website, fair condition, there might be some visible scratches and dents. The screen might have some light scratches. Good condition, there might be some micro scratches visible at an arm's length or more. The screen should have no scratches. Excellent condition, might have some micro scratches invisible at a distance of 8 inches or more, and there should be no scratches on the screen. When I purchased this phone, I selected excellent condition. Since BackMarket is an online marketplace, you are not purchasing the item directly from BackMarket. You are purchasing the item from an independent seller that is utilizing the BackMarket's platform. BackMarket states on their website that every seller goes through a screening process before being able to sell on their platform. So before purchasing an item, I would recommend you look at the seller's performance. You can see how long the seller has been on BackMarket. You can also look at the seller's customer satisfaction score and read the customer reviews on the seller. The seller I purchased this phone from was a seller by the name of Cola Stash. The phone came with 2 accessories, a lightning cable and a SIM tray removal tool. The shipping time on the item was fast. I ordered the phone via the BackMarket website on Sunday afternoon and received the phone on Wednesday. The phone was also shipped with direct signature required. I am not sure if all items purchased from BackMarket is shipped signature required, or this was specific to the seller I purchased from. Looking at the back of the phone, it's in perfect condition. There are no cracks or scratches. The screen is also in perfect condition. Looking at the sides of the phone, there are some visible scratches. The next thing we are going to look at is the battery health. Based on the information on BackMarket's website, they require that phones being sold via their platform have at least 85% battery life. The battery life on this phone is 89%. I have been using the phone for about 2 weeks now and have had no problems. BackMarket also has a diagnostic tool. To access the diagnostic tool, you have to download the BackMarket app. The diagnostic tool allows you to test the functionality of the phone to make sure everything works. The app performs a full scan and checks the functionality of the phone, such as the battery health, screen, camera, sound, and microphone. So here's my conclusion on BackMarket. Even though the phone that I received had some visible scratches on the sides, I have to say BackMarket is a legit website. It's not a scam. I am very happy with the purchase, and I will be using them again in the future.